likes to hear the HSV rumbling. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and for those that are new here, my name is Matt. What is this woman doing? We're just gonna go cruising to a... Hang on, what is this woman doing? Car's too big for her, I think. Anyway, we're just going to go cruising to a local PC shop. I just need to buy a new laptop. I might do a bit of a point of view cruise. Finally, the weather on the weekend is sunny and not raining. It's been raining every weekend for the last probably 2 months. So I haven't been able to do a lot of filming. So yeah, let's go for a bit of a point of view drive cruise. Haven't done one for a while. I need to buy a new laptop. Unfortunately, I'm running Windows 8 on my PC still at the moment. Yeah, Windows 8 in 2024. I mean, it still works, but you know, it's time for an update, I think. Unfortunately, I don't have car seat covers, as you can tell here. So I'm looking at fixing up the bit of a shine on the driver's seat. I'll show you what I mean by that. Unfortunately, that's nearly 10 years of wear and tear on the seat. It's all right still, but yeah, she's getting a bit shiny. So as you can see there, yeah, the driver's seat's getting a little bit of a shine, wear and tear on it. So if any of you that are watching recommend something for the seat to give it a clean, or should I just be buying car seat covers to protect it more? That's the reason I've got the steering wheel cover, is to protect the steering wheel, because that was also getting a shine on it. So yeah, I'm still running Windows 8 on my laptop at home, which is a bit of an embarrassment, being 2024 and I'm running Windows 8, but well, it's just the way it is. I mean, it works, there's no faults with it at the moment, but I think it's a bit of a time for upgrade. I've tried to get it upgraded to Windows 11, and I took it to a computer shop, and he said, probably best is to go and buy a new one because there's something wrong with it. I've tried to do that before, but it didn't work. So yeah, weather is actually fine for a change on a weekend. Thank fuck for that. I've been trying to do a couple of car walk around reviews, but obviously I've had to postpone them because it's been raining, and it's not light rain, it's been quite heavy. Cruising along Anzac Avenue here. You're heading east into the Redcliffe area, which is that way. Back behind us is, or that way I should say, is Deception Bay and Narangba and whatnot. So there's a computer shop up here on the right that I'm going to go and have a look at for a new PC. With the GoPro, I actually bought the creator pack, and there's actually an external mic you get with it. The microphone on the GoPro isn't the greatest to hear. I mean, I've said it a few times in previous videos, but the fuel pump that I put in to the GTS last year, you can hear it running when there's nothing sort of going, when there's no music or whatever. You can hear it running. It sounds like a tap that's running. I can hear it at the moment, but you can't really pick it up on the normal mic on the GoPro without the creator pack, but it's got the external mic. So I might get that out and just test how that is, and then see how that goes. Right there, champ. But yeah, the computer shop's just up here on the right. Decent range of computers there, but a little bit out of my price range at the moment for the ones that I'm looking at. So yeah, that'll have to wait, I think. dog likes to hear the HSV rumbling. Nice Calais there, going by the other way. There's an SV6 Commodore VF there. There's an actual HSV over there as well. They're all out today. Probably everyone's been sitting at home the past few weekends, not being able to do anything because it's been raining. So yeah, duck over here and have a quick look to see what they got in here. Now I do have ideas of what I want to do for the seats. I just want to see what everybody else does and what they recommend. So put in your comments below on what you believe would be the best thing to clear up the sort of shine on the seats, or what I should be doing to clean them properly. So I'll be cleaning the seats first, and then I'll be putting the new car seat covers on to protect it, like I have with the steering wheel. So currently you're cruising through North Lakes in North Brisbane. Super Cheap is just up here on the right hand side. So yeah, there was meant to be a Joe's Diner car meet tomorrow, but the weather predictions show something a little bit different. They said about 40 to 50 millimeters of rain in the area tomorrow, so I think he's cancelled that. So unfortunately there won't be a Joe's Diner car meet tomorrow. Haven't been to one for a while, so it would have been a good venture out, but of course you can't help Mother Nature there. So here we are at Super Cheap Auto over there. We'll go and check out, see what car seats are in there. Sorry, car seat covers. Probably nothing special, but we'll just have a look anyway while I'm in the area. Right there, champ. Park well away from any wandering trolleys or any wandering kids. So have a look online for some proper car seat covers for my HSV. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, I'll be probably going out to a session called Morning Mayhem out at Ipswich Motorway in the middle of May. So it's normally a pretty good session out there. I've been out to a cruiser night out there a couple of times, so I'm told it's pretty much the same thing. It's just in the morning. That's why it's called Morning Mayhem. See if a couple of other HSV owners want to go out there with me. Go as a group maybe. See how we go. So let me know in the comments below on what you're using for your car seats to get rid of the shine on the leather. Interesting to see what people use. I do have some ideas, but it'll be interesting to know what people actually use.